can. Okay? You can. You only have to get the right framework. What do you call it? A mental framework.
Marissa, make sure you Instagram that.
Huh?
Make sure you Instagram the delivery.
Yo.
Hold up.
I got my rocks watcher, y'all.
Is that live or are you? Oh my God! Hold up. Let me get.
You got it?
I got one. Hold up. My man.
Thank you.
So you see, if you take phone and you call pizza,
oh my God, it smells so good. Can't wait.
Within 20 minutes, they'll bring the pizza to you. And the business.
Got my watcher, y'all.
So, I mean, I think you there, this motor may be his. That's, a side issue. You don't believe it, you know? Yes, you don't believe it, but it's a side issue.
You know, he's repping the t-shirt and everything.
You will see that the watching has, the cover and everything.
To be loved, oh, what a feeling to be loved. Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Marissa Joat coming at you with another video. That's whack as fuck.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah.
Everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
Hey beautiful, what's up? I miss you. It's been a minute, I know. Like I told y'all last time, a whole lot is going on. And at the right time, we will talk. But for now, I have exciting news. I'm gonna do crochets. I don't have a bridge braid because I let somebody cornrow this for me. Y'all know I can make it full without a bridge braid, so it's not an issue. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 braids joining and going straight back. I just wanted to show you guys the beautiful Felicia hair. I love this hair so much. I had to go buy me another pack of Felicia hair. I told you guys this is a black owned company. And this hair, I think I bought it for like $65. It might be more. Don't quote me. I will make sure to put a link in the description box. So if you wanted hair, you can go get it. Everything comes in this bag. All the hair you need and extra in one bag. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically, you get an 8 because each bundle has 2 and they're twisted together like that to form this. So I opened up this to look at it and it's pre-cut, so you get your long length, your medium length, and your short length. And if you want to use all of that, you can use it. They give you the small one to frame your face. Y'all know I've already done this video before. I will link the old video, the very first Felicia video that I made. I will link it down so you guys can see it, but yeah. This time, I am not going to frame my face with this small one. I am only going to do the very long one and the medium one. I'm just going to layer it like that and I'll cut it and make it look pretty. I'm going to take very small strands and put it on and hopefully, I mean, I know it's going to be gorgeous anyway, but hopefully just these, let me not even say hopefully, it's going to work. It's going to be pretty. Short, long. Installed one strand. This Let's see. I split it in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright y'all, I just finished a long one like this. I just finished that. So that's how it looks. I'm going to keep building up. You guys know how I knot my crochets. I'm keeping the knots very small this time. I'm only knotting 1 time, and then I'm doing the slip notch. I just want to share with you guys the journey of putting this beautiful hair, right? So I'll be back. Good morning, y'all. This is 2 bundles. I have my 3rd bundle left. 2 bundles in. I'm just trying to pack up here so that, you know, you can't see my lines. And that's why I do a bridge braid, but we didn't do a bridge braid this time, like I said. Tickling you?
No, it's in my face.
I'm gonna miss you. You gonna miss me?
Yes.
I'll call you guys every day. You guys call me too. You make sure to call me. You can call me FaceTime on your iPad. You call mommy. I feel cute. Okay, let's be serious. I have the medium length left, and I have a little bit of the other bundle that I started of medium length. I tied it up. And then I have half a bundle of the very long one left, and this small one I didn't use at all. So I think I have enough hair next time to probably throw in 1 pack of an ocean wave to mix in this, and the ocean wave that I could mix with this would probably be authentic. So anywho, this is what I have left. So you have more than enough in this package for a second look. Let me show you guys the finished product. So this is it. As soon as I get my edges done and laid, it will look really nice. I could wear it like this. I could wear it like this. I don't like center parts, but I have a center part option here. I have a center part option, even though I don't like center parts. I feel like center parts don't look good on me. I like side parts. I have a side part option also here, right here. I would have preferred it here, but and I can just throw this back here. I could have preferred it here instead. But I could go to extreme and do an extreme side part, because I definitely have a V here. So I could wear it like this. I have a big comb just in case I think I need it. I have that. I have this hairbrush, which is really, really good for curly, wavy hair. But I'm just going to use it just because that's what I have around. I have my scissors, and I have my butterfly clips, and then I have a razor for if I need a razor. First and foremost, it is too long. It's on my butt, and I don't want any bathroom accidents, so I would rather it's maybe up here, but not on my butt like that. That's just too long for me. Since I cannot see my back, I'm going to move it forward. I cannot see what I'm doing. I'm just kind of gauging. So I'm not going too crazy with the cutting. Do you look like a worm? No. Okay. So don't let it bother you. Because you don't look like a worm, right? Carissa! Yeah, Mom. Come here. Baby, go and play. Huh? Go and play. Your brother said you called him a worm.
Yeah.
Why?
Because he said my food looks like worm.
You could have just ignored him, right? He's what, 6 and you were 13? Okay. So if what you teach him is what he would do, if you start calling him names, he will think it's okay to call you names, and he's going to start saying, no, you look like something, and he's going to say something back to you. So be careful what you say to him. Some things just ignore, because if you say something, you are teaching him to do it back to you. Okay?
Okay.
Y'all, it's so beautiful. I have not seen any hair on the market as beautiful as this when it comes to synthetic hair. If you have, tag me, because I don't know, this girl is just blessed. She's blessed to be able to come up with hair like this, crochet hair. It's beautiful, and the quality, and it lasts a long time, and you have so much in that pack. I got no complaints. I don't mind paying the money I pay for this, seriously. So if you absolutely love this hair as much as I do, I'm going to link this hair in the description box. I'm going to link the crochet snapback in there, so that when it goes bad, so that when it gets old and you want to so when it gets old and you want to freshen it, you can do that, okay? So, and if you don't have mousse and polisher, don't fret. You can use mousse and gloss. I'll use both so y'all can see. I'll use the polisher on one side and the gloss on the other side so y'all can see that both work, okay? And then polisher. And then I mix both, and then I put it in the hair. Just rake it in. Oh, this hair is everything, y'all. And the other thing too is, after you put the mousse and polisher in, it makes you also see the hair better. And if you need to cut it a little bit more, clean it up, you can do that. Like for instance, right here, I'm going to clean it up a little bit. But whew, this hair is everything. Goodness gracious. I love it. Love, love, love it. And on this side, I'm going to do the gloss. Mousse, gloss. Mix. Rake it through. And here is the look. Now, I will say this. I have used both before. Not both at the same time. I will say that polisher, that brand, is quite heavy, and so it weighs the hair down a little bit and gives it almost like changes the the waves and makes it a little bit more looser. Like, let's see. Let's just let everything settle, right? And let's take a look at this side compared to this side. I put the mousse and polisher here, and I put the mousse and gloss here. See, the gloss is lighter, and so the hair is still retaining its bounce and curl, so it's still big. The polisher is more heavier, and so it's weighing the hair down and it's tamed it. Can y'all see that? I can definitely tell. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. So all I can do now basically is clean it up and make sure I like the way that it falls, especially the ends. Mousse and some gloss at the ends of it. All right, y'all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, y'all see this? What I'm gonna do is, even though I have a lot of hair to cover this, I run a risk of this showing, so I'm gonna pack a few on the side here. Done. I'm gonna go wash my sheets and clean my room and make sure that I'm ready for my trip.